Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
In the low pressure systems we have oxygen and nitrous oxide flow control valves. So this system of oxygen flow control valve, nitrous oxide flow control valve and air flow control valve, it is together called as flow meter. Individual indicators which rotates on its axis called as rotameter. There is rotameter is also seen, and this rotameter, the upper end is indicated by the conical Thorpe tube. The upper end is indicated by the conical Thorpe tube, whereas lower end is actually cylindrical. Lower end is seen in the rotameter.
thank you and thank you for watching.